My least favorite aisle. Ugh, damn it. Diabetes. And got it. Yeah. That kind of felt like it took forever. But we in the kitchen, ready to pop. What you'll need: half an onion, chopped, lemon, juiced, green chili, if you want to be extra spicy, sliced, popcorn kernels, 1/3 of a cup, some oil, I'm using olive oil to minimize guilt, and any deep pot, just make sure there's a lid. Heat up the oil on high and drop in the kernels. Shake to cover the kernels in oil and then cover the lid to wait for the magic. The kernels will slowly start popping, and full disclaimer, things will escalate real quick and it'll sound like World War III in your pot, so make sure you're watching over this. Once the kernels start violently popping like this, turn the heat down to medium-high. Pro tip, pick up the pot and shake it up every 2 minutes. This is how I personally do it. Go ham, go crazy, go violent. Just kidding. You'll notice that the popping sounds will slow down as World War III comes to a decline, at which point you can turn off your stove. This is the most satisfying part, and here is some ASMR to prove it. Now you can grab your spiced up popcorn and get back to binging Netflix, YouTube,
or whatever it is that you kids like to do these days.
This is how I've been having my popcorn since childhood. There is no going back. I hope you guys try this out. It does appeal to the Indian taste buds and will probably remind you of several snacks, for example, bhel puri. If you enjoyed this video or even felt confused at some points, lol, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Hold up. Do hit the subscribe button to help support my channel and help me make more videos for you. I would also encourage you tap that bell notification so you guys know exactly when I drop these videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Take care, be safe, and get poppin'. Bye.